United Country Hawkeye Real Estate and UC Hunting Properties, powered by Realtree, is pleased to present this 270-acre tract of rolling ridges, timber, row crop, and premier hunting located in the rolling hills of Appanoose County near Unionville, Iowa. This area of southern Iowa is known for its stunning oak ridges, mature hardwoods, and productive agricultural land. This property features heavily timbered terrain with natural pinch points, making it easy to set up for hunting on predominant winds with southern access. The mix of ridges and open ground provides excellent locations for food plots and additional row crop production for food sources or native plantings for additional bedding cover. A standout feature of this property are the multiple ponds located across the farm, offering excellent fishing and recreational opportunities. Multiple farms in the area act as natural travel corridors between bedding and feeding areas, creating an ideal setup for drawing in and keeping deer on the property during daylight hours, while the surrounding area is well regarded for producing top-end whitetails and great turkey hunting. Additionally, the land offers great opportunities for ATV or horseback riding, camping, and other recreational uses. With a mix of natural beauty, income potential, and excellent hunting opportunities, this 270-acre tract is a standout property in Appanoose County, Iowa. For more information on this listing, call Iowa Land Specialist Ryan Ammons at 641-777-2955 or Nate Ammons at 641-777-2861, or check us out at uciowa.com.